The difference between a rough night in the woods and a high-end wilderness experience comes down to what is hidden in your pack. While most people are out there struggling with outdated basics, the elite are using a secret collection of gear to master every element. We have spent months tracking down these underground camping gems that stay off the mainstream radar for a reason. These tools do not just solve problems, they give you total control over the wild. Every essential link is waiting for you in the description. It is time to step up and finally own the outdoors. Waking up on the cold, uneven ground belongs to the past. Your truck just became a luxury penthouse in the middle of nowhere. This aluminum hardshell fortress transforms your vehicle into a four-season base camp in literally 5 seconds. Forget wrestling with poles or damp fabric. The hydraulic system does the heavy lifting while you enjoy a panoramic view of the horizon while resting on the 3-layer mattress. Whether you are battling a winter chill with the detachable thermal liner or seeking shade under the summer awning, you stay elevated and protected. It even keeps your devices powered through built-in charging ports. This aircraft-grade aluminum sanctuary offers the perfect balance of rugged durability and refined comfort for any terrain. It is the ultimate upgrade for those who value time as much as the adventure. Take your high-end base camp anywhere for $1,299. Cooking in the wild usually means balancing plates on logs or searching for misplaced gear. The Slimfold Cook Station eliminates the chaos by bringing a full professional kitchen layout to your campsite. It functions as a command center with heat-resistant surfaces for your stove and 4 dedicated side stations for prep and storage. Integrated hooks and a paper towel holder keep your tools organized, while the entire system collapses into a slim, portable profile in seconds. It offers the stability needed to master outdoor meals without the mess. You can grab this campsite essential for just $100. Nature determines the weather, but you decide the temperature inside your shelter. This portable powerhouse delivers 5,100 BTUs of cooling and over 6,000 BTUs of heating, giving you total environmental mastery in any season. It is engineered for true independence, running efficiently for 8 hours on just a single kilowatt-hour. Whether you are in a tent, an RV, or a remote cabin, the whisper-quiet operation ensures your peace remains undisturbed while the IPX4 water-resistant shell handles the elements with ease. Setting up takes less than 30 seconds to transform your space into a climate-controlled sanctuary. Secure this ultimate outdoor luxury for $949. Staying powered in the remote wild shouldn't feel like a compromise. The RAMBLER 100 is a handheld power grid that fits in your carry-on, giving you an actual AC outlet and wireless charging anywhere on Earth. It is impact-resistant, TSA approved, and recharges in just 80 minutes. Whether you are working from a peak or lighting up a campsite, this is the ultimate tactical energy source for $192. The hardest part of any adventure is hauling the gear, but this heavy-duty iron frame wagon changes the rules. It turns a back-breaking task into a smooth, one-handed operation, supporting over 200 pounds of equipment across sand, mud, or jagged rocks. The oversized all-terrain wheels and telescopic handle provide effortless control, while the entire structure folds down into a compact profile in seconds. It is the rugged workhorse every organized camper needs to reclaim their energy for the trail. This essential utility upgrade is available for $90.09. Standard multi-tools are made for the city, but this one is built specifically for the campsite. It packs 11 essential outdoor functions into a slim bronze frame, featuring a dedicated tent stake puller and a built-in ferro rod striker. From cutting gear to managing your shelter, it handles the friction of the wild without adding bulk to your pack. Own this rugged tactical advantage for $26.95. The most dangerous moments in the wild often happen when you are caught off guard without the right tools. The VIPERADE Vibe AK6S is a compact survival powerhouse that combines a high-strength folding knife, a rechargeable LED flashlight, and a weather-resistant pulse ignition system into a single tactical unit. The black stone-washed blade is engineered for precision and durability, while the integrated plasma igniter works in the harshest environments where traditional lighters fail. It recharges via USB-C and stays securely at your side with a heavy-duty rubber belt sheath for instant access. This is not just a pocket knife, it is a 3-in-1 insurance policy for your next adventure. You can add this high-performance tactical edge to your gear for $43.90. It is a small purchase with a massive impact on your preparedness. Most outdoor lights leave you squinting in the dark, but this telescoping tower brings daylight to the deepest woods. With 6,000 lumens of warm, adjustable light, it illuminates a 300-foot radius from a height of up to 12 feet. It is a weather-resistant command center for your campsite that runs for hours on its own internal battery. Experience this massive, professional-grade illumination for $399.95. Leaving your expensive gear unattended in the wild is a massive gamble, but the pros use a silent ghost to watch over their assets. This tiny undercover guardian hides in plain sight, locking onto any surface with a dual magnet grip that simply refuses to budge. While you are miles away, it provides a live, invisible tether to your vehicle or equipment, sending an immediate, silent alert to your phone the second anything moves out of place. It is the ultimate peace of mind for those who have too much to lose and want to stay 10 steps ahead of the unexpected. This is not just a tracker, it is a professional-grade insurance policy that fits in the palm of your hand, ensuring your most prized possessions never truly leave your sight. You can secure this vital tactical edge for your setup for just $19.95. The ultimate outdoor buzzkill isn't the cold, it is the swarm of insects waiting for the sun to go down. While others rely on messy sprays, the experts deploy a silent, dual-spectrum predator. This isn't your average light. It uses a specialized two-tone LED frequency that acts like a magnet for pests, neutralizing them in a fraction of a second. It creates a massive invisible shield over your entire campsite without a single bulb change. It is the tactical choice for anyone tired of being the main course. You can claim this permanent outdoor piece as a smart gear investment for $39.99. The biggest flaw in most portable power stations is that once they hit zero, they become dead weight. The pros have moved on to a more intelligent solution that literally breathes in the sun to stay alive. This award-winning generator features a built-in foldable solar panel integrated directly into its frame, allowing it to recharge itself while you are miles away from civilization. It is a silent, emission-free beast capable of running 90% of your heavy appliances, from medical gear to full-sized refrigerators, without ever needing a drop of fuel. With a specialized battery designed to last over a decade of daily use, it functions as a permanent tactical heartbeat for your campsite or home backup. It is the ultimate freedom from the grid, wrapped in a rugged, portable design that ensures you are never truly out of power. You can secure this elite level of energy independence as a high-end gear investment for $599. The one thing that truly separates a grueling trip from a world-class outdoor experience is a hot shower. While most campers accept being covered in dust as part of the journey, the real experts carry a portable reservoir that turns raw sunlight into a high-temperature spa. This durable, leak-proof system absorbs solar energy to heat 5 gallons of water in just a few hours, requiring zero electricity or fuel. It features a versatile hanging system and a high-flow shower head with a built-in switch for total control. Whether you are washing off the salt from a hidden beach or staying fresh deep in the mountains, it provides the ultimate reset for your body and mind. You can add this essential touch of comfort to your pack as an affordable luxury for just $19.95. Biting insects turn a world-class trail into a personal nightmare in seconds. This ultra-fine, non-scratchy black mesh functions as a transparent fortress, sealing off your face and neck without blocking your vision or your breath. Every unit weighs almost nothing and folds into a tiny, self-contained pouch that fits inside any pocket, ready to deploy over your favorite hat the moment a swarm appears. You keep your focus on the horizon while this silent barrier handles the frustration for you. Secure this essential 2-pack for just $12.74. Accidents deep in the wilderness don't wait for a surgeon to arrive. These medical-grade zip closures function as a painless, non-invasive alternative to traditional stitches for lacerations and cuts. You simply apply the adhesive, pull the integrated tabs, and watch the skin edges align perfectly in 3 dimensions. It creates a tension-adjustable bridge that accelerates healing and minimizes scarring without a single needle puncture. This is a pocket-sized emergency room for your tactical first aid kit. Secure this life-saving backup for $29.99. Waiting 20 minutes for water to boil in the wind is a rookie mistake. This integrated jet burner system uses high-efficiency heat exchange technology to cut cooking times by 30% compared to traditional stoves. Every component, from the piezo igniter to the 1-liter pot, locks into a single rugged unit that fits inside your pack. It turns a freezing campsite into a functional kitchen in seconds. Own this elite tactical cooking advantage for $39.95. Suffocating in a stagnant dark tent is the quickest way to kill a great expedition. This triple-threat survival unit combines a high-velocity fan, a multi-stage LED lantern, and a built-in aroma diffuser into one ultra-compact frame. It delivers up to 40 hours of continuous airflow on a single charge while lighting up your entire campsite. Use the integrated hook to create a personal climate from the ceiling of your tent or vehicle. Every ounce of your pack matters, and this 11-ounce powerhouse eliminates the need for extra gear. Claim this tactical comfort upgrade for $29.99. Lugged around heavy kitchen gear is a burden that slows down every mile of your trek. This 10-piece tactical bundle eliminates the bulk by nesting an entire cooking station into a single hand-sized package. It features a high-grade anodized aluminum pot and pan designed to distribute heat instantly, alongside bowls, a folding spork, and essential tools for any trail meal. Every component collapses into a rugged nylon pouch, ensuring you never second-guess your pack list before heading into the wild. It transforms a minimalist campsite into a fully functional kitchen without adding unnecessary weight. Secure this complete survival cooking edge for $19.99. Fumbling with tiny buttons in the dark while your hands are covered in grease or mud is a common frustration for every outdoorsman. This ultralight dual-mode headlamp eliminates that struggle by integrating a precision motion sensor, allowing you to trigger a flood of light with a simple wave of your hand. It weighs less than 2 ounces and features 8 specialized lighting modes, including a tactical red beam and SOS strobe, all powered by a class-leading LED chip that doubles the brightness of standard headlamps. The 60-degree adjustable head stays locked in place even during high-impact running, providing a steady, hands-free beam that cuts through rain and snow with IPX4 waterproof protection. It is a vital upgrade for your night vision and safety, packing massive power into a compact, rechargeable frame. Secure this essential 2-pack as a tactical lighting edge for just $17.99. Sleeping on the cold, jagged floor of a tent is a guaranteed way to wake up with a ruined back and zero energy for the trail. This revolutionary sleeping pad uses advanced body mapping technology and a unique hexagonal air cell design to support every pressure point, neutralizing the rocks and uneven ground beneath you. It features high-grade thermal insulation to block the freezing earth from draining your body heat, ensuring a restorative night of sleep in any weather. Forget about wasting your breath. The included multi-purpose inflation bag fills the entire mattress in seconds and doubles as a waterproof dry bag for your gear. This 100% waterproof ultralight barrier collapses into a tiny bundle that disappears inside your backpack, providing a high-end recovery station for your next expedition. Secure this vital tactical comfort for just $28.48. Standard axes are heavy, single-purpose relics that take up too much space in a tactical pack. This all-steel, American-made powerhouse integrates 30 different survival functions into a compact 11-inch frame that weighs just over a pound. You get a heat-treated hatchet blade capable of being resharpened indefinitely, paired with a heavy-duty hammerhead and claw for demolition or campsite setup. Hidden within the glass-filled nylon handle is a locking 6-inch bimetal saw for clearing thick brush, while the base features a specialized steel glass breaker and seatbelt cutter for emergency vehicle extractions. It functions as a complete, pocket-sized toolkit designed to handle everything from gas valve shutoffs to high-stakes rescue missions. Every inch of this tool is engineered for those who refuse to be caught unprepared. Own this ultimate multidisciplinary edge for $89.99.